Hi guys! Welcome back again sa ating journey dito po sa US. So, ayun nga po, dahil nga po may na-post tayo regarding our working experience or yung work experience natin before po tayo pumunta dito sa US. So, ngayon maraming nagme-message sa akin, maraming nag-chat sa akin kung ano daw po ba yung mabibigay kong advice or tips regarding how to pass the NCLEX. So, nakaka-pressure yung tips how to pass the NCLEX kasi 'di ba tatlong beses akong nag-exam. So siguro mahuhuli na siguro sa akin yung tips how to pass the NCLEX, but maybe ang mabibigay ko sa inyo ay may tatlo or apat akong advice na pwedeng mabigay sa inyo, which is ang una nga po ay ito. Kasi nga nakatatlong beses akong nag-take ng exam, and then I learned a lot from those failures na nangyari sa akin. So, first advice na mabibigay ko po sa mga magte-take ng exam is trust the Lord and have more confidence in Him than yourself. You must humble yourself. Yes, this is really true for me. Kasi nung time po na nag-exam ako ng NCLEX, akala ko alam ko na lahat. Akala ko papasa ako agad. Akala ko kaya ko na, though I pray. Okay, I pray, I read my Bible, I know that I depend on Him and not on myself. But then, I think at that time is yung confidence ko is more on sa sarili ko, which is yun yung alam kong nangyari, why I fail. So it doesn't mean that it's really connected to Him, but kung alam yung i-humble yung sarili ninyo, kung alam yung may mga kulang kayo sa sarili ninyo, you must really depend on Him more than yourself. Kasi alam ko, maybe by that time sa sarili ko is more, nagdepend ako more on sa sarili ko than on Him, which is not good. So, we're just human, and alam natin sa sarili natin na sometimes we still tend to do things na hindi naayon sa Panginoon. So, we must humble ourselves, and yun nga, first na advice na mabibigay ko is trust the Lord and have more confidence in Him than yourself. You must humble yourself. Yan lang po. For the next advices, keep on watching my videos. Yan lang. Salamat. Bye-bye.